The Nike Air Foamposite Pro Gym Red brings back one of the most iconic Foamposite colorways for the first time since 2015. The monochromatic red upper runs the entire length of the shoe, maintaining the same aggressive presence it had when it first launched during one of the heydays of sneaker culture. This colorway didn't need much help to earn its place, and this reissue doesn't try to add anything new. And in case you didn't know, the Nike Air Foamposite Pro Gym Red is back. Stay tuned for all the details. One of Nike's most striking red versions is back. Popularly known as the Red Octobers, these sneakers are making a comeback as the popularity of Foamposite shoes is on the rise. Released in 1997, the Foamposite Pro was once considered the future of basketball shoes. Its robust construction now has a retro feel, but this design still exudes confidence. This bold red version was last released in 2015, and this all-red Foamposite certainly made a splash. This retro model isn't a revival of the classic 2002 Foamposite Pro Varsity Red, but rather a reintroduction of the bold 2015 edition. For fans of foam culture, this is great news. Gym Red has always stood out for its daring design, cementing its place as one of the most eye-catching Foamposite colorways of all time. The Gym Red model perfectly captures that spirit: eye-catching, unapologetic, and impossible to ignore. Nike returns to the silhouette with an all-monochrome take. The sculpted Foamposite shell, oversized swoosh, and contoured upper are sprayed with a glossy candy apple red sheen. That color runs through the ripstop style toe, mesh tongue, and laces for a cohesive look. Minimal contrast is used in this design, but with intention. A red and black carbon fiber midfoot plate interrupts the shell, and black detailing lands on the tongue label and the smaller outlined toe swoosh. Those flourishes help keep the look reined in rather than out of control. The Nike Air Foamposite Pro Gym Red is scheduled for May 29, 2026, releasing to select retailers and Nike.com. The pair will retail for $240 in men's sizing. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now!